Hey everybody, this is Nick from Got Tech, the podcast, and in this 12 days of EdTech video, I'm going to show you 4 awesome websites that you can use for finding icons and fonts. So when you're making your next worksheet or presentation, or if you're giving your students some resources that they can use for their next visual creation in class, you're going to want to send them to these 4 spots. So the first one is called flaticon.com. When you come here and scroll down, you can see they have 3 main categories. They've got some icons for you, some stickers, and interface icons as well. If you scroll down, you can check out some of their top selections as well as the stickers they have. I like these stickers that you could even use as digital badges to hand out in your class. But the main thing I'm going to use this for are their icons. So let's say I'm creating a worksheet on Benjamin Franklin and I need a nice icon for a pen at the top of the worksheet, and I simply type in the word pen to their search bar and it gives me tons of really great options that I can use. Now if it's for Benjamin Franklin, maybe I want to use this quill pen. I simply hover on top of it, download. You can pay for some more options and uses, but for education I'm going to go ahead with the free download and simply click the big green button. And when I do that, you can see the download simply pops up down here. From there I can paste it into whatever I'm working on. Second up, we've got thenounproject.com. This is a very similar tool, icons and photos for everything, also free downloads. Let's say I'm doing a presentation on DNA and I want a nice icon to fill in the top corner of each slide. I simply type in DNA. These guys have tons of options to choose from. When you find one you like in a similar fashion but to the last site, you simply click it and it's going to give you an option for a free download under Get This Icon. It will also ask you to pay for it. The pay option is optional. You don't have to do it. What it would allow you to do is change the colors and other things about these icons, but for me I just use the black outline and get it for free. Next up, we've got textgiraffe.com. That's right, textgiraffe.com. At TextGiraffe, you can type in any text that you want, and it's going to automatically turn that into some very cool graphically designed text. You can see some of the options down here. Let's say I'm starting a unit on polynomials, and I want that in a very cool sort of a font. I type in polynomials and go. And it's going to turn that word into a bunch of these awesome fonts. And you can see there's at least 10 pages of options here that I can click through. Find one I like, you'll simply click on it, copy paste it into your worksheets, projects, or presentations. You can also send your students here if you know that they are working on a project like this. They might want access to some of these cool fonts as well. And finally, we have coolsymbol.com. If you want another option for a font changer similar to TextGiraffe, you can come here. They have other things as well, like symbols, emojis, and text art. But I'm going to go ahead and click on the Font Changer tab. And it works a similar way. Here, where it says input text, type whatever text you want. Let's say I want to use American literature. And as I type, it pops up a bunch of pretty cool options that you can then directly copy and paste into whatever you're working on. And that wraps it up for this 12 days of EdTech video. Thanks a lot for watching.